Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha's kitchen, and today we are going to prepare this cheesy eggs. Take a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Today we are going to do this dish with this different taste with this olive oil. So I have added a lot of sweet corn along with chopped tomatoes and chopped green chilies. Add very little salt, half tablespoon or less than that. That should be more than enough for this dish. So don't add much salt here, and we shall cook this for some time, maybe two or 3 minutes on high flame. Then take one egg or beaten. We are going to beat this egg along with 2 tablespoons of maida all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So add little bit of milk. I'm taking raw milk, okay, and make sure you don't have lumps while you beat this egg with these flour, two different flours that we have added. Okay, little bit more milk would help you to bring nice consistency. It should be like little bit more than dosa batter. Okay, now we are going to pour that batter that we have made with this egg. So pour it there, and you have to keep 2 boiled eggs. So take these boiled eggs, which are split into 2, peeled boiled eggs and split into 2. And this is oregano that I'm just sprinkling on the top. If you don't have oregano, you can add some kasuri methi or something. And these are the red chili flakes for nice spiciness. Okay, now take the boiled eggs and put them just like that. Try to just little bit press on the top. Okay, there, see. And take the grated cheese now and sprinkle from the top. And this cheese would melt when we are trying to cook this. The cheesy top and boiled egg in the middle, and the bottom you will have the flour with the egg, and you will have these tomatoes and sweet corn in between. And trust me, children would love this dish, and I bet you might have not tried this before. Now keep the lid on. I added few more chili flakes there, and cook it in the low flame for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes you can just open it and you see, lovely. Now you can add a little bit spice on the top here. If you have any pirpiri powder, you will get it in any supermarket, or maybe you can sprinkle any chat masala or garam masala if you wish, but don't make it more Indianized. So now we'll just close the lid for 2 to 3 minutes, and this masala would also be cooked along with the cheese there. See how delicious it is, and try this and you would love it. See you next time.